Meet Tech Tommy, your new tech friend, ready to explore AI basics with you. Join us on our learning journey by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Engage with our content by liking, commenting, and sharing to spread the tech love. Artificial intelligence awaits us. Let's dive into the world of AI concepts together. Discover the power of AI as Tech Tommy guides you through its fundamental principles. Unravel the mysteries of AI in an engaging and educational video narrative. Explore how AI shapes our world and learn its practical application.
Artificial intelligence. In this session we are going to learn about what is AI, how AI works, what are the applications of AI, does AI is a boom or a bane, and misuses of AI. Firstly, here, what is AI? AI is the science of making machines that can think like humans. It can do things that are considered smart. AI technology can process large amount of data in ways unlike human. The goal for AI is to be able to do things such as recognize patterns, make decisions, and judge like humans. In simple words, it's nothing but artificial intelligence. AI is a set of technologies that enable computers to perform a variety of advanced functions, including the ability to see, understand, and translate spoken and written language, analyze data, make recommendations, and more. How AI works. In simple words, artificial intelligence AI makes it possible for machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. And next is applications of AI software used in everyday life include voice assistants, image recognition for face unlock in mobile phones, and ML-based financial fraud detection. Now let's see what are the boons and banes of AI. The boons of AI are shown in the figure and more are voice assistants, image recognition for face unlock in mobile phones, and ML-based financial fraud detection, and in simple banes of is increased dependence on technology. And here we see misuses of AI. In general, many of the hackers use this AI technology for morphing the photos, which leads many deaths, and also for surveillance, manipulation, and weapons. The future of AI is expected to improve industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and customer service, leading to higher quality experiences for both workers and customers. And some of the AI tools are ChatGPT, Gemini, Bing, Microsoft Image Designer. When we compared the growth of AI in the market, it has increased so much from 2020 to 2025. In the overall market, it has increased by $150.7 billion. By this we can say how AI is going to be more in future. And the conclusion is artificial intelligence have become integral to our lives, and their relevance in the near future is undeniable. They enhance everyday technology, transform industries, drive innovation, solve complex problems, and the conclusion is artificial intelligence have become integral to our lives, and their relevance in the near future is undeniable. They enhance everyday technology, transform industries, drive innovation, solve complex problems. Thanks for watching my video.